Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Fakhruddin Pishawri and you are watching Noon Islamic Center YouTube channel. In today's lesson, inshallah, we will read the Leen Letters. It is the second part of 9 juz or 9th lesson. In today's lesson, we will read the Leen Letters. We have two types of Leen Letters. But before starting the explanation of Leen Letters, let me explain for you at what is Jazm and what is Sakin. Whenever we have this sign on any alphabet, so this sign is called Jazm. This sign, or we have on Ya. So this sign is called Jazm. And whenever we have on any alphabet, like we have this sign on Waw, so this Waw is called Waw Sakin. And when we have this sign on Ya, so this Ya is called Ya Sakin. So now let me explain for you that what is the Leen letters. Whenever we have Fatha before Sakin alphabet, like it's Waw, so whenever we have Fatha before Waw Sakin, so this is called Leen letter. And the second Leen letter is Ya. Whenever we have Fatha before Ya Sakin, so this is called Ya Leen. The first one is when we have Waw, so this is called Waw Leen. And when we have Ya, so this is called Ya Leen. And we have only two types of Leen letters, Waw and Ya. So now I will read for you and you will read after me and make practice, inshallah. In today's lesson, inshallah, we will read the first 4 lines of this lesson. Okay, so I will read first, and when I pass, then you will read after me. Ta, waw, fatha, taw. Ta, ya, fatha, tay. Taw, tay. We will read the Leen letters very softly. Ta, waw, fatha, taw. Ta, ya, fatha, tay. Taw, tay. Now the other one. Sa, waw, fatha, saw. Sa, ya, fatha, say. Saw, say. Sa, waw, fatha, saw. Sa, ya, fatha, say. Saw, say. Now the other one, it's dal. So dal, waw, fatha, daw. Dal, ya, fatha, day. Daw, day. Dal, waw, fatha, daw. Dal, ya, fatha, day. Daw, day. Now it's zal. Zal, waw, fatha, zaw. Zal, ya, fatha, zay. Zaw, zay. Now the ra one. Ra, waw, fatha, raw. Ra, ya, fatha, ray. Raw, ray. Now this one is za. Za, waw, fatha, zaw. Za, ya, fatha, zay. Zaw, zay. Now the sin one. Sin, waw, fatha, saw. Sin, ya, fatha, say. Saw, say. The other one is shin. Shin, waw, fatha, shaw. Shin, ya, fatha, shay. Shaw, shay. The other one is sad. Sad, waw, fatha, saw. Sad, ya, fatha, say. Saw, say. The other one is zad. Zad, waw, fatha, zaw. Zad, ya, fatha, zay. Zaw, zay. The other one is ta. Ta, waw, fatha, taw. Ta, ya, fatha, tay. Taw, tay. This one is zwa now. Zwa, waw, fatha, zaw. Zwa, ya, fatha, zay. Zaw, zay. Now I'm reading for you one time more. Ta, waw, fatha, taw. Ta, ya, fatha, tay. Taw, tay. Sa, waw, fatha, saw. Sa, ya, fatha, say. Saw, say. Dal waw fatha daw. Dal ya fatha day. Daw, day. Zal waw fatha zaw. Zal ya fatha zay. Zaw, zay. Ra waw fatha raw. Ra ya fatha ray. Raw, ray. Za waw fatha zaw. Za ya fatha zay. Zaw, zay. Sin waw fatha saw. Sin ya fatha say. Saw, say. Shin waw fatha shaw. Shin ya fatha shay. Shaw, shay. Sad waw fatha saw. Sad ya fatha say. Saw, say. Zad waw fatha waw. Zad ya fatha zay. Zaw, zay. Ta waw fatha taw. Ta ya fatha tay. Taw, tay. Za waw fatha zaw. Za ya fatha zay. Zaw, zay. Okay, so it's enough for today. In next video, inshallah, we will read the other lesson, the other part of this Leen Letters, inshallah. So see you in next video, inshallah. Jazakallah. Thanks for watching.
Noon Islamic Center presents Quran Reading Course, Tafsirul Quran, Noorani Qaida, Prayer in the Light of Quran and Sunnah, Tajweedul Quran Course, Basic Arabic Language Course, Teachings of the Holy Quran, Advanced Arabic Language, and much more fundamental courses. Register us now.